Hey everyone, welcome to Bit9 Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to install AutoCAD 2025 on your Mac. Whether you're using a MacBook with an M1, M2, M3, or M4 chip, this guide will work perfectly for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have AutoCAD 2025 up and running smoothly on your machine. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest Mac tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, Safari, Chrome, or any browser of your choice, and search for AutoCAD 2025 free trial. From the search results, click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the Autodesk website's free trial section. I'll also include a direct link in the video description for convenience. On the Autodesk website, click on the Download Free Trial button. You should be redirected to a new page. Select the purpose for which you'll be using the software: business, home use, education, or file viewer. I'm going to select business. Next, click Next, choose product. In this step, select the type of AutoCAD you want. I'm choosing AutoCAD for Mac. If you're an electrical engineer, select AutoCAD Electrical, or if you're a mechanical engineer, select AutoCAD Mechanical. Choose based on your activity. Once finished, click Next, Sign In. Add your email and click Continue. You'll be prompted to either log into your existing Autodesk account or create a new one if you're new to the platform. If you need to create a new account, fill out the required forms with your details, including your address, and press Next to proceed. Once logged in, you'll need to complete your profile. Add all information about your industry, role, job level, company name, position, phone number, and address. Once finished, click Complete to submit. Next, you'll need to verify your phone number. A code will be sent to your number. Enter it to complete the verification. Once done, click Continue. Now, select the version of AutoCAD you want. Here, select 2025 and choose the language. I'm going to use the default, English. Next, click Download to begin. Save the installer file to your desired location. The installer is around 1.9 gigabytes, so depending on your internet speed, this could take a few minutes. When the download is complete, open Finder and navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the DMG file for AutoCAD 2025 that you just downloaded. Double-click it to open, and a new window will appear with the AutoCAD installer. From here, double-click the Install Autodesk AutoCAD 2025 for Mac file to start the installation process. You may see a warning saying the app was downloaded from the internet. This is normal. Just click Open Anyway to proceed. Next, grant the necessary permissions by clicking OK. The installer will then prompt you to enter your Mac password, type it in, and click OK to authorize the installation. The installation process will begin, and you'll need to agree to Autodesk's terms and conditions. Read through them if you'd like, then click Agree and press Next to continue. The installer will automatically select your internal hard drive for installation. Press Install to confirm. The installation may take a few minutes, depending on your system. Once it's done, click Start to launch AutoCAD 2025 for the first time. Now that AutoCAD is installed, it will ask for initial permissions. For example, you may need to allow access to the Documents folder. Click OK to grant access. Next, log in using your Autodesk ID. If you're starting a free trial, you'll see an option to activate the trial. Click it to proceed. When AutoCAD opens, you'll see a welcome screen with tutorials and templates. You can skip the tutorials for now by clicking Cancel and head straight to the workspace. One key detail to note is that AutoCAD for Mac uses Rosetta 2, Apple's translation layer, to run Intel-based applications on M1 and newer chips. Rosetta ensures that AutoCAD operates seamlessly, and from my testing, the software is fully functional, including features like 3D modeling and design tools. However, keep in mind that there are some differences between the Mac and Windows versions of AutoCAD. For example, Features like dynamic blocks and workspace layouts may behave differently or have limited functionality. Be sure to review Autodesk's official documentation if you're unsure about compatibility for your needs. Finally, once you're done installing, don't forget to eject the installer by right-clicking the drive icon on your desktop and selecting Eject. This will clean up your workspace and free up memory. And that's it. You've successfully installed AutoCAD 2025 on your M1, M2, M3, or M4 Mac. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more in-depth Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.